our planet Earth is home to an incredible diversity of life. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, every corner of the Earth is filled with living creatures, big and small, that make our natural world rich and beautiful. Every species, no matter how small or large, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Together, they form complex ecosystems that help sustain the environment and life as we know it. However, in recent centuries, the activities of humans have begun to destroy this balance. Forests are being cleared for agriculture and urbanization. Rivers and oceans are polluted, and thousands of animals are being hunted for meat, fur, horns, or simply for trade. As a result, many animal species are disappearing at an alarming rate. The loss of these species is not just a tragedy for nature, but also for humanity. When we lose them, we lose biodiversity, natural beauty, and essential ecological services like pollination, seed dispersal, and soil fertility. Protecting endangered animals is therefore not only a moral responsibility, it is crucial for the survival of our planet. This project discusses the 10 most endangered and critically endangered animals in the world, describing their unique features, habitats, reasons for their decline, and the efforts being made to save them from extinction. Vaquita, Vaquita sinus. The vaquita is a small species of porpoise that lives only in the northern Gulf of California, Mexico. It is the smallest and most endangered marine mammal in the world. Adult vaquitas are about 4 to 5 feet long and weigh around 100 pounds. They are gray with dark rings around their eyes and lips. Vaquitas are extremely shy and rarely seen by humans. Unfortunately, fewer than 10 individuals are believed to remain alive today. The biggest threat to their survival is accidental entanglement in illegal gill nets, which are used by fishermen to catch another endangered fish called the totoaba. These nets trap vaquitas underwater, causing them to drown. Pollution, boat traffic, and reduced food availability also contribute to their decline. Despite efforts by the Mexican government and conservation organizations like WWF to ban gill nets and create safe marine zones, illegal fishing continues. If strict action is not taken immediately, the vaquita could become extinct within a few years, marking the first marine mammal species to disappear due to human activity. 2. Javan Rhinoceros, Rhinoceros sundicus. The Javan Rhinoceros, or Javan Rhino, is one of the rarest large animals on Earth. It once roamed throughout Southeast Asia, but today it survives only in Ujung Kulon National Park, Indonesia. This rhino has a single horn that grows up to 10 inches long and grayish-brown skin that forms natural armor-like folds. It prefers dense lowland forests near water sources. Currently, only 70-80 Javan rhinos exist in the wild, and none are in captivity. Their biggest threats are poaching, habitat loss, and natural disasters like volcanic eruptions or tsunamis that could wipe out the entire population, since all of them live in one small area. The Indonesian government has made the species completely protected, and rangers patrol the park regularly to prevent poaching. There are also plans to create a second habitat to reduce the risk of extinction from a single disaster. The Amur leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis. The Amur leopard is found in the temperate forests of eastern Russia and northern China. It is the rarest and most endangered big cat in the world. Its thick, luxurious fur, which helps it survive freezing winters, has made it a prime target for hunters. Only around 100 Amur leopards remain in the wild. In the past, deforestation and poaching of its prey, such as deer and hares, have also contributed to its decline. To save this species, Russia established the Land of the Leopard National Park, which protects nearly 60% of its remaining habitat. Camera traps, anti-poaching patrols, and community awareness programs are helping their slow recovery. Interestingly, in recent years, the Amur leopard population has shown small but steady growth, offering hope that this stunning species may one day recover fully. 4. Kakapo, Strigops habroptilus. The kakapo is a fascinating flightless parrot found only in New Zealand. It is the world's heaviest parrot and also one of the longest living birds, with a lifespan of up to 90 years. Kakapos are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. They have a soft green and yellow plumage that blends well with forest vegetation. Historically, kakapos were abundant throughout New Zealand, but the introduction of predators such as cats, rats, and stoats by humans devastated their population. Deforestation also destroyed much of their habitat. Today, only about 250 kakapos remain, all of which live on carefully managed predator-free islands. Each bird is monitored using radio transmitters, and conservationists record every breeding attempt. Thanks to these extraordinary efforts, the kakapo population is slowly increasing, a remarkable conservation success story for one of the world's strangest and most lovable birds. Saola, Pseudorix nuggetinensis. The saola, often called the Asian unicorn, is one of the most mysterious and rarest mammals ever discovered. It was first identified in 1992 in the Annamite Mountains of Vietnam and Laos. Saolas have long, straight horns and a body resembling a small antelope. They live in dense, wet forests and feed mainly on leaves and grasses. Because they are so elusive, scientists have rarely seen them in the wild, and almost nothing is known about their breeding behavior. It is estimated that fewer than 250 individuals remain. Their biggest threats are hunting, due to snare traps meant for other animals, and habitat destruction caused by logging and road construction. Conservationists are working with local communities to reduce hunting and protect saola habitats. Some organizations are also planning to start a captive breeding program to ensure their survival. Bornean orangutan, Pongo pygmaeus. The Bornean orangutan is found on Borneo Island, Indonesia and Malaysia. It is one of the closest relatives of humans, sharing about 97% of our DNA. These intelligent apes spend most of their lives in trees, eating fruits, leaves, and insects. Mothers care for their young for up to 8 years, one of the longest parent-child bonds in the animal kingdom. Sadly, the orangutan's population has dropped by more than 50% in the last half-century. Their rainforest homes are being destroyed for palm oil plantations, logging, and mining. They are also victims of the illegal pet trade. Many organizations now run rescue centers that rehabilitate orphaned orangutans and release them back into protected forests. Public awareness campaigns encourage people to avoid products made from unsustainable palm oil. Sumatran tiger, Panthera tigris sumatrae. The Sumatran tiger is the smallest tiger subspecies found only on Sumatra Island, Indonesia. Its narrow stripes and dense fur help it camouflage in the island's tropical forests. Fewer than 400 individuals survive today. They face severe threats from illegal poaching, deforestation, and conflicts with humans as people expand into tiger habitats. Every tiger lost affects the ecosystem because they are top predators that control prey populations. Conservation programs such as the Sumatran Tiger Conservation Program and WWF initiatives work to strengthen anti-poaching laws, protect forest corridors, and engage local villagers in tiger-friendly livelihoods. Hawksbill Turtle, Eretmochellis imbricata. The hawksbill turtle inhabits tropical oceans, especially coral reef areas. It is easily recognized by its sharp curved beak and beautifully patterned shell. This turtle plays a key role in marine ecosystems by eating sponges that compete with corals for space. Unfortunately, its shell has been highly prized for making jewelry and ornaments, leading to centuries of overexploitation. In addition, climate change, ocean pollution, and coastal development threaten their nesting beaches and food sources. Their population has fallen by more than 80% over the past century. Marine protected areas, turtle-safe fishing gear, and awareness campaigns are helping to reduce further decline, but the Hawksbill turtle remains critically endangered. 9. Yangtze giant softshell turtle, Raphitis swinhoe. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle is one of the most critically endangered reptiles in existence. Native to China and Vietnam, this turtle is enormous, with some adults weighing over 200 kilograms. Today, there are believed to be only 2 or 3 individuals left in the entire world. The species has been nearly wiped out due to pollution, habitat loss, and dam construction along major rivers like the Yangtze. Scientists have made several attempts to breed the remaining turtles in captivity, but none have yet succeeded. Conservationists are still searching for other surviving individuals in the wild, as even one more discovery could make a huge difference. Northern sportive lemur, Lemur septentrionalis. The northern sportive lemur is a small gray-brown primate that lives only in northern Madagascar. It is nocturnal and spends most of its life in trees, feeding on leaves, bark, and fruits. Due to massive deforestation, illegal logging, and hunting, its population has declined dramatically. Fewer than 50 individuals are estimated to remain in the wild. Local and international conservation programs are working together to reforest their habitats and protect remaining populations. Education and community involvement are helping villagers understand the importance of preserving this species. The animals described above represent more than just rare and beautiful creatures. They symbolize the fragility of life on Earth. Each of them plays a vital role in maintaining the natural balance of their ecosystems. Yet human actions, deforestation, pollution, hunting, and climate change have brought many of them to the brink of extinction. Saving these endangered species is not impossible, but it requires global cooperation, strict enforcement of wildlife laws, and most importantly, public awareness. Organizations around the world are working tirelessly through breeding programs, protected reserves, and conservation education to prevent these animals from disappearing forever. If we wish to pass on a healthy planet to future generations, we must learn to respect, protect, and coexist with all living beings. Protecting wildlife is not only about saving animals, it is about saving ourselves and ensuring the continued beauty and balance of life on Earth.